Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Intuit QuickBooks Online Payments, detailed guide step by step clearly. To withdraw funds from Intuit QuickBooks Online Payments, begin by logging into your QuickBooks Online account. Once logged in, navigate to the accounting menu located on the left sidebar. In the accounting section, select Chart of Accounts. Find the bank account where you wish to withdraw funds. Click on the View Register option for that specific bank account. Look for the deposits made from QuickBooks Payments. Identify the transaction you want to withdraw from. Select the transaction to open its details. In the transaction details, click on Edit or More if necessary, depending on your layout. You will see options to mark the transaction for withdrawal. Keep in mind the transfer fee that might apply. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw into the appropriate field. After entering the amount, click on Save and Close to finalize the withdrawal. Check that the withdrawal has been reflected in your account register. For further verification, go back to the dashboard and review your accounts. Make sure your records are up to date to avoid discrepancies in your financial reports. Remember to keep track of any related fees for this transaction. Finally, log out of your account once you have completed the withdrawal process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.